everyone, this is Rose and welcome to my random channel. This is going to be actually another Sephora Play double mystery unboxing. If you have no idea what the hell I'm talking about, I will link up in the cards my Sephora Play playlist. To sum it up, I am basically a beauty junkie hoarder and I have a ginormous box of beauty boxes in my closet. And so when I decide to do these videos reviewing these monthly subscription programs, I go in and I pull out 2 random boxes. It could be one from a month ago, it could be one from 4 years ago. Now Sephora Play is kind of fairly new. I think it's only been around for a year. So at least you know that these boxes can't be that decrepitly old. But that's basically what these double mystery unboxings are. And in my review, I actually break down the values, if possible, the samples, just so you'll know if you're getting your money's worth. If you're interested in joining Sephora Play, I highly recommend it. It's 10 bucks a month. It's affiliated with Sephora, so if you shop at Sephora, it's awesome. Because in each box, not only do you get 6 samples, one being a fragrance sample, you also get this card that you can redeem with a purchase and actually earn 50 bonus Beauty Insider points. So anyway, I'm gonna get into the unboxing, and I think I'm gonna do this one since it's ripped open. This was August 2017. And this is an example of that coupon that you can take to redeem and get the 50 bonus Beauty Insider points. Each box basically looks like this. And you get this big fold out pamphlet thing that talks about the theme of the month. August's theme was the innovators, elements of beauty. Cute little drawings on one side. And then the other side actually talks about the different products that are inside of it. So all the products always come in these cute little material drawstring bags that are highly reusable. And I'm just gonna get into it. I'm excited about the first thing I see. It's actually one of the mini beauty blenders. The Beauty Blender Micro Mini. So cute. I have a really old video, a how to use a beauty blender video, filmed 5 years ago, like on a webcam. Beauty blender by far has to be one of my most favorite foundation applicators. Now the first one I had was the last one I reused. I made that thing last me for a year. It's a $20 sponge that's disposable, you know? So that might be why I haven't repurchased it, but I think I will be fairly soon. But it has a little teeny tiny little pamphlet that talks about how the Micro Mini is good for concealing, highlighting, and contouring. And this thing is so tiny. Such a cute, bright lime green color, but it's that familiar Beauty Blender squishy texture. But a revolutionary mini makeup applicator sponge for highlighting, contouring, and concealing. Perfectly shaped to reach the smallest parts of your face. God, me having this just makes me want to purchase another full-size beauty blender. But to be perfectly honest, I've not really heard all that great things about these, just that they're tiny and you can just use a full-size beauty blender to conceal and highlight with. But I will still give this a try. This thing is so cute. Next thing I have is this is like a dual-ended product, Clinique High Impact Dual-Ended Mascara and Primer Duo. Both of these, let me see if it has the measurements on here. 0.08 ounces, 2.4 grams. I can't help but wonder if it's the total because it's only listed on one side. Probably is. But it's basically, it's dual-ended. It has the High Impact Mascara on one end and then the Lash Primer on the other. Which I believe the High Impact is Clinique's like best-selling mascara, which I've used it before and it's pretty good. It's really good at separating and lengthening. 2-sided lash primer and mascara for longer lasting eye looks and full, soft, lustrous lashes. Next thing I am really excited about because I own no Hourglass stuff. This is a sample of the Vanish Seamless Finish Foundation Stick in beige, which Sephora actually records like your skin tone colors and everything. So I'm wondering if this is actually my correct color. So this is the outer packaging right here. And then here is the actual sample. So it looks like it's my color, which is pretty awesome. How much product is in here? Pretty decent amount. I've heard a little goes a long way with this. 1.2 grams, 0.04 ounces. Highly pigmented foundation with the coverage of a concealer, smoothness of a liquid, and weightlessness of a powder. Very excited to try that. Next thing is by Lancer. Half an ounce, 14 grams. The Method Polish. Effective skin resurfacing treatment uses natural plant enzymes and microdermabrasion crystals to reveal radiant skin. Love to exfoliate my face just because I do have a lot of texture to it, so excited about trying that. Next thing, me being ethnic and having ethnic hair, even though I've heard that even ethnic people can use dry shampoo, I don't know how useful this is going to be for me, but this is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. This is actually 1.8 ounces, 52 grams, 92 milliliters. Powered by a new patented molecule, this effective dry shampoo absorbs excess oil and makes hair look and feel refreshed. So my hair is extremely dry. I actually have to put oil in it. So we will see about that. And the last thing is a fragrance sample. 15 milliliters, 0.05 fluid ounces, and it's the Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, which I've actually smelled before, and I think it smells pretty good. So I don't have to smell it again. This fresh citrusy scent channels the sunshine-filled Mediterranean Sea with notes of bluebell, white rose, and amber. So, all right, so the value of this August 2017 Sephora Play box is, let me get into the next one. Wow, this is June 2017. Your summer starters was the theme, and the card's missing because I obviously redeemed the points. Little drawings on one side, and then all the different products on the other side. The cute little bag that this is in. And let me get into the different products. Oh, excited about one because I actually just tried it today. And I think I really like it, and it may replace my Kane and Austin primer. And it's the first thing on here. It's the Benefit Professional Face Primer. This is the little card it comes in. 3 milliliters, 0.1 US fluid ounces. Teeny tiny tube, but a little bit does go a long way with this. Silky lightweight face primer minimizes pores and smooths skin for a flawless soft focused finish. If you would like to know, even though I'm sure my face is pretty oily and my foundation is probably pretty broken down, it is midnight right now. I did my makeup this morning at 8 a.m. so it's been on my face for 16 hours. It's held up pretty well with this. The next thing is a First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. 9.6 grams, 0.34 ounces. That's what the tube would focus looks like. Ultra hydrating priming moisturizer features electrolyte packed coconut water plus micro pearls for a subtle dewy glow. Next thing is by Way, that really famous hair care line, the Rose Gold Hair and Body Oil. Really nice packaging for a sample. 0.28 fluid ounces, 9.2 milliliters. It does have a pump. Quick absorbing blend of nutrient-rich oils from around the world replenishes hair and skin plus adds moisture and illuminates. Now, I wonder if I already have this color. I think I do. The Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in K-Dub. I actually already own this color, but don't mind having another one. And I do have a video where I review and very poorly swatch on my arm the different liquid lipsticks that I have from Kat Von D. I own about 14 or 15 of them. This is 3 milliliters, 0.10 fluid ounces. Long-lasting, high-pigment liquid lipstick with a creamy formula that glides on smoothly like gloss but leaves a matte finish. Absolutely love these, and actually, I have 3 different things on my mouth right now, but the base shade is actually a Kat Von D liquid lipstick. IGK Rich Kid Coconut Oil Gel. 15 milliliters, 0.5 fluid ounces. Lightweight coconut oil infused hairstyling gel softens and hydrates hair for effortless undone locks. And again, the last thing is a fragrance sample, Black Opiate by Yves Saint Laurent. How the card looks, and let me open this. 1.2 milliliters, 0.04 fluid ounces. A modern and intoxicating scent with rich notes of coffee, sweet vanilla, and delicate white flowers. Let's see how this smells. It actually smells pretty good. A little strong. I really like vanilla, so I'm thinking that's why this is appealing to me. But it doesn't smell bad. So the value of the June 2017 box is, and I'll put up both the values. Am I still a member of Sephora Play? Of course I am. Now, if you're interested in joining, I don't have a referral link or nothing like that, so I'll just link the website down below. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them. And again, this is it. Again, this is Rose, and thank you so much for watching this crap. If you found this video at all helpful or entertaining, then please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, become a part of my random family. And don't forget to click that bell for notifications. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day, a happy holiday, happy new year. And I probably shouldn't have said that because this is probably not going to get uploaded probably until the end of January. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day, and you'll see me again hopefully very soon.